I'm at Uniq Brows and I'm getting my eyebrows shaped. I have not touched my eyebrows or anything. So, and this is the Uniq Brows at Voice Design Quarter. And your name is?
Priscilla.
Priscilla. Okay, Priscilla is gonna be doing my eyebrows. So you see how it looks like, man? So you're gonna make me look good, okay? Oh yes. I do have some makeup on. So okay, perfect.
So why did you do this?
My eyebrows. Oh yes, you must ask. She's trying to get me into shape with my eyebrows. Like they look terrible.
Get laid up for me.
Okay. Aren't you getting somewhere?
we are.
It's better when I came in.
Yes. So, your eye's gonna be here.
Okay. Where's that gonna be?
Here.
Okay.
So now here it's empty.
Yes.
You have to try to grow this part.
Okay. And how do I grow it?
We have a grow serum. Let me show you. We have this. It's a grow serum. You have to apply every night.
Every night? And how long is the growth? Like how long will it take to grow?
2 to 3 weeks, but you have to apply every day.
Every day?
Yes.
Morning and evening?
No, every night.
Every night, okay.
You must just make sure that you wash off all your makeup before applying it.
Otherwise it's not going to work, right?
Yeah.
Good job, girl. Waxing or threading?
Threading.
Because I know waxing pulls your skin, right?
Yeah, and it also causes wrinkles.
Oh, you do not want wrinkles, guys. Black don't crack.
Plus, with waxing, it's hard to come up with the right shape.
It's so true. And I feel like sometimes you over wax it and then you're screwed.
Yeah.
Yeah, for me, I'm almost saying it. Yeah, almost saying it.
Yeah.
Yes, girl.
Yes, am I getting there?
Yeah. They're looking good already. Are you gonna tint? Okay.
The empties. Oh.
As long every time when you thread them, we just do the measurements. Make sure we don't take those wanted hairs.
But the nice thing is I'm just going to come to one place.
Yeah.
Because changing the whole time, it doesn't help. That's how my eyebrows got screwed up.
And we do things differently. Some people don't measure it all.
I know. This is like the first time that anybody has ever measured. And like my friend was like, no, go to them, they're quite amazing. And I'm like, yeah, but I've been threading before. And it's like, no, but they will shape it for you. I'm
It's
like,
different, exactly.
Like you guys measured, you did like, I was like impressed. Getting rid of that mini unibrow. So guys, this is how it's looking so far. And this is Pauline. She's also here, okay? The two P's, Pauline and Priscilla. There you go. So they finished shaping, right? Or not yet?
No, she finished shaping.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do the tint.
Okay, so it's finished. They finished shaping. I feel like my brows are looking good. And then now we're gonna do the tint. So if you guys ever want to come to Uniq Brows, it is design quarter but at the Life Day Spa. And then you walk down the stairs and then you go, the kids, so you go into the kids section at Life Day Spa. You walk down the stairs and then you turn left and then you'll see these pretty ladies sitting right there in the little corner and so cute. So yeah, be sure to check them out. Dark brows. So is that just to clean it up? So now we just wait for a few minutes for it to tint my brows, to color my brows, and then I'll be enjoying it with these ladies. There you go. You guys are so cute. Thank you. Melanin and nothing. So yeah, and it's so cute. Like it's a cute little station. I like it. So now we're taking it off. So how long does the tint last? More than, okay, so if you have an oily skin, it's not more than 10 days. And if you have a combination skin, 2 weeks, okay. I feel like I have a combination skin, so we'll see. But I am loving. Wow. Guys, look at my brows. Oh wow, I went from 0 to 100. Babe, thank you so much. Her name is Priscilla, so yeah, she can do your brows. And once again, I did my brows at Uniq Brows in 4 ways: design quarter, life day spa. And guys, look. Wow. Look, I even have an arch. Thank you so much, babe. Guys, I am loving my eyebrows. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm going to take the time